I have here the H2O Go Mount Splashmore Inflatable Slide. We've had this for over 2 summers now, and it is absolutely one of our favorite summer activities. I love that I can do this at home. It's super easy to set up and break down. You just take it out of the bag that it comes with, lay it out, connect it to the blower that's included, and within a matter of minutes, this thing is inflated. We use it with water most of the time, but you can use it without water. It has the slide, the splash pool that collects the water, and then the climbing wall that goes up to the slide. It also has the little water cannon at the bottom that the kids absolutely love. This thing can support up to 600 pounds, so it can support a good amount of kids. We have kids ranging from 3 years old up to 11 years old that play on it. It's seriously one of our favorite activities to do together. When you're all done, there is a plug at the bottom of the splash area that you pull up, let it drain. I let it dry, and then all you do is fold it back up, and you'd be surprised how easy it is to just get back in that bag. This is hands down one of our favorite summertime activities. Definitely worth the investment. It's a great value for the price. If you're thinking about it, I don't think you're going to regret it. We have absolutely loved ours.